Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Apache Beam on Google Cloud for data transformation step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Google Cloud Platform account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Google Cloud console. In the console, click on the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the page. Create a new project by clicking on New Project. Name your project and take note of the project ID. Next, enable the necessary APIs for Apache Beam. Go to the APIs and Services menu and select Library. Search for the Dataflow API and click on it, then select Enable. Repeat this process for the Cloud Storage API. After enabling the APIs, you need to set up Google Cloud Storage. In the left-hand menu, go to Storage and click on Browser. Click on Create Bucket to set up a new bucket for your data. Choose a globally unique name for your bucket and select a region. Set the default storage class based on your data access patterns. Once your bucket is created, you'll want to install Apache Beam on your local machine. Make sure you have Python installed before proceeding. Open your command line interface and use the command pip install Apache Beam. After installation, verify it by running python mpip show Apache Beam. Now, it's time to write your first Beam pipeline. Create a new Python file in your preferred IDE or text editor. Import the necessary Beam modules with import Apache_Beam as Beam. Next, define your pipeline using the with Beam pipeline as pipeline context. Inside this context, add your data transformation logic using p-transforms. For example, you could use Beam create to create a simple test dataset. Add a Beam map transformation to process your data. You can include operations like filtering or transforming each element in your dataset. Once your transformations are set up, prepare to run your pipeline on Google Cloud. First, ensure you have Google Cloud SDK installed and configured for your project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.